Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use the countdown feature in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, go to the Library tab, scroll down, select Counters. So here you can see different types of countdowns like countdown frames, countdown seconds, countdown timestamps and lots of other features. So for example, if you want to count down your timer for anything like any racing video, select this countdown timesteps. And here you can see it's counting down for 10 seconds. If you want it for a longer like 1 minute countdown, drag the layer for 1 minute. And you can see it's coming down for 1 minute. You can move it anywhere you want. And from its properties, you can change the font and can also change the color and other stuff that you can do with the default text. Now you see that this feature is always counting down, but if you want to count up, just select this counter media timesteps. And now you can see it's counting up for 10 seconds. You can also do the same for the text. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.